How's it going, guys? John McDavid here with a 2013 Harley-Davidson Iron. This bike is in need of a new battery. So we're going to go ahead and put in this anti-gravity battery. This is equipped with their new restart technology. We're going to talk about that in a bit. So first off, let's get in the side cover and pull that stock battery out. Alright, so here we are with the two batteries. Obviously this is the new anti-gravity battery with the restart technology on the right. Left is the stock battery. You can tell just by looking at them that the anti-gravity is just a little bit smaller, which is nice because if you've ever been in the battery box on a Sportster, it's a very tight fit, so that should help with installation. Their restart technology is essentially a jump starter built into the battery. So instead of needing to carry your separate jump starter, if you run into a dead battery, you would just pull the side cover and press this button up here, and that's the jump starter, their restart technology, which is really cool. Eliminates the need to carry a jump starter with you, especially on a Sportster. You really don't have any room unless you have saddlebags or if you want to carry a backpack. So having that restart technology just eliminates the worry of that. So you can get your bike restarted if you accidentally leave the lights on. Performance-wise, big difference as well. 480 cold cranking amps with the new battery. Stock is only 225 cold cranking amps. Difference in amp hour ratings as well. You're looking at 12 amp hour on left, and you're looking at 14 with the new anti-gravity, which is pretty cool. So $260 is going to be the price for anti-gravity's battery, and if you go to the dealer and try to replace your stock, it's $115. So it's a little over $100 more for anti-gravity, but you get the boosted performance, you cut a little bit of weight, and you get this built-in restart technology, which is essentially a jump pack built into the battery. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and slide this thing in there and see how good it works. So we got the battery in. It's a little bit smaller than the stock battery, as I said, so the retaining strap doesn't make full contact up top, which is perfect because it allows you to get your finger in and press that restart button if need be. So you're not going to need to use any tools. You're not going to have your 10mm to get this strap off. You can get your finger in there just by removing the side cover, which is toolless if you're out on a ride and your battery dies. So it's definitely a good fit for this Sportster. Let's go up top and see how it starts. All right, let's start it up.